Hi, and welcome to part 5 in our series covering the stages of construction. After the sheetrock has been installed, the next phase is to install the interior doors, trim, and cabinetry. We hope this video will help prepare you on what to expect when building your own custom home. Our first step in this phase is to install the interior doors. Most interior doors will come with a pre-manufactured jamb or frame that keeps the door in place. A trim carpenter would typically handle the installation and would do it by sliding the door and the frame into the framed opening. Shim the areas to fill any gaps and fasten the door jamb to the wood framing, making sure that everything is square and level. If you have pocket frames, they would also be installed at the same time. Once the installation of the interior doors are completed, the cabinets would be ready to be installed. Cabinets can either be built entirely on-site or they can be built off-site, then brought to the job site to be installed, which is the way most custom builders do it. We actually do both ways depending on the workload of our partner who builds the cabinet off-sites for us. We prefer to have them built off-site because the quality can be better and it's a faster way to have them done. Once the cabinets have been installed, it's time to install the baseboards and door and window casing. Once this is complete, we will start working on any wall coverings or ceiling details like shiplap, beams, etc. One of the items you'll need to keep an eye on is to inspect the installation of the trimmed cabinets to make sure everything works out as originally designed. You're probably already figured out, just because your design has been put down on paper doesn't mean it will all work out perfectly in the field. So be sure to take a careful look at how the cabinets and the trim come together and make sure everything looks exactly like you were thinking it was going to look. And don't be surprised or disappointed if something doesn't work as planned. Just have the architect and interior designer meet you on site. They'll take a look at the issue in person and come up with a solution to get the look you desire. Thank you all for watching. We really hope this video will help you on your home building journey. If you want to see more, please subscribe and like this video. Also, if you're searching for more information on building a custom home, check out some of our other videos. Or if you're just looking for a custom home builder here in Houston, then visit our website at aspirefindhomes.com. Thanks again for watching.